Hi guys, welcome to Promo's Tasty Kitchen. Today we are going to make another Hyderabad special dish. It's called Shahi Tukda. Some people even call it Shahi Toast. And it's very simple dish. It's very famous in Hyderabad. And so that's the reason I brought it to you, so that maybe you can also try and have a taste of it without coming to Hyderabad. So let's get started with Shahi Tukda. So guys, to make Shahi toast, I have taken about 5 pieces of bread. We'll cut out the boundaries, the brown part, and then we'll cut the bread into a triangle shape. Now we have removed all the brown parts. Now we'll cut this bread into this way diagonally into triangle shape, and we'll air dry it before we take it for the roasting. So guys, I have cut all the pieces. Now we'll air dry it for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Okay guys, let's get preparing our rabdi. So I have taken a big kadai. In this we're going to put about 8 to 10 spoons of desi ghee. Desi ghee is good to get a good flavor and the essence in our rabdi, and this also makes sure that okay, we have a good fat content in our rabdi. And as we know, we are using all this packet milk. I'm using currently 1.5 liter packet milk, and I know it doesn't have good content of fat, so adding ghee is a good option. We'll keep on stirring it, and after getting little heated up, we'll add milk powder about 3 to 4 spoons. So I have added milk powder 3 to 4 spoon. We'll give a good stir to it, mix it well. This is to give a thickness to the rabdi with the kind of milk what we are getting nowadays. Now, once we start seeing the milk is boiling, we will add cardamom powder and a color. I'm using orange color in this case to because it will go along with our shahi toast very well. So we'll give a mix to it and let it boil a little bit, and then we will add 1 cup of sugar into it, and we'll give a good stir to this, and we'll keep on stirring it so that our rabdi doesn't get stuck at the bottom. How we know that our rabdi is prepared? Once the milk become half in quantity, that means our rabdi is prepared. So we keep on boiling, and now you see our rabdi is prepared. It's become half in quantity. This is where we'll uh, you know keep on stirring it still, making sure our it's not getting stuck at the side. So guys, our bread is nicely dried. Now we're going to fry it. For that I'm going to use asli ghee, and I'm going to take about 6-7 teaspoon of asli ghee in a pan. I've already put the pan on the high flame. So guys, our ghee is hot. I have made it to medium flame. Now we'll fry our toasts. Keep it on the low to medium flame. We don't have to rush, but we require golden brown color on our toast. So guys, see, this is what the color we wanted for our toasts. Whichever is not fully golden brown, we'll turn it and see. Now it's getting a good color. This is what we needed. So guys, I have prepared the sugar syrup meanwhile, and our toast is also all ready. So we'll dip them one by one into the sugar syrup. So I have taken out the rabdi in a serving bowl, and we'll leave our toast in this sugar syrup for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let it soak in here. Till then we'll cut some dry fruits for the garnishing purpose. So guys, our toast been soaked into syrup for about 10-15 minutes now, and I have left the gas on the minimum flame so that they nicely get soaked. It is properly done. Now we'll take it out, rinse away, or we'll just drain out extra syrup, and we'll put into our rabdi. one by one. And now we'll garnish. We'll put a little bit of ravi on top of it. And now we'll garnish with some fried cashews and almonds. And your Shahi Tukda is ready to be served. Please do enjoy, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. Let me know what's your experience been, and if you require any other dishes which you want me to prepare for you. Thanks, and enjoy your Shahi Tukda. So guys, I hope you will enjoy the dish. It's all ready and served. Do try and let me know in comment section how was the taste, what's your experience is, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon for the notifications so that you can get all notification well in time as soon as I am updating any of the videos. Thank you.